Okay, boys and girls, let's get started on Homelink 7.8. And once again, we're continuing with fractions, all right? So look at the fractions below and sort them into two groups, fractions less than 1 and fractions greater than 1. Use the number lines on the following pages to help you. So you can use those number lines to help you. So if I look at this and I say I'm going to go into two groups, and one has to be less than 1 and one's going to be greater. So here we have our less than 1. Here's the greater than 1. Okay? And boys and girls, when we're looking at fractions that are less than 1, okay, we always look at that denominator. Okay? And if our numerator is less than our denominator, it's going to be less than 1. If our numerator is greater than our denominator, then it's going to be greater than 1. So let's look at the first one, 1/2. Okay, 1/2, the numerator is less than my denominator, so it's going to be less than 1. 2/3, the numerator is less than my denominator, so 2 is less than 3, so it's going to be less than 1. 6/4, if I look at my numerator is greater than my denominator, so 6/4 is going to be greater than 1. 3/2, my numerator, which is 3, is less than my denominator, which is 2, so it's going to be greater than 1. So 3/2 is greater than 1. 7/8, my numerator is less than my denominator, so it's going to be less than 1. 5/3, my numerator, which is 5, is less than my denominator, or greater, than my denominator 3, so 5/3 is going to be greater than 1. 6/8, my numerator is less than my denominator, so 6/8 is going to be less than 1. And then 7/6, my numerator 7 is greater than my denominator, so 7/6 is going to be greater than 1. All right. On the last one, it says look for a pattern in the fractions you sorted and then describe the pattern that can help you. All right, so if I look at this, put that on full screen so you can see it. It's just what we said. In fractions that are less than 1, the numerator is less than the denominator. In a fraction that is greater than 1, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, boys and girls, that concludes Homelink 7.8.